Hello guys, support us and subscribe to our channel, give likes and write comments. Today we will read Secret Ghost Legend. Well, let's get started. Baba is a character from Slavic folklore, also known as a bogeyman. In stories and legends, Baba is often portrayed as a mischievous and sometimes scary creature who likes to play tricks on people. Some people believe that if you call out Baba at night, she will appear and play a trick on you. However, Baba is also sometimes seen as a protective spirit, watching over children and helping them if they are in danger. Baba could have many descriptions and appearance in different legends, but usually she is portrayed as an old woman, a witch, or a hag. In some stories, Baba is a mean and scary figure. Other stories depict her as a kind and protective spirit. It is important to note that the character of Baba can vary widely depending on the specific culture and region where the story is told. Additionally, there are also many other creatures from Slavic folklore that have similar characteristics and could also be referred to as Baba. The stories passed down through the generations about Baba are rich and diverse, making her a fascinating figure to explore and learn about. It is worth to mention that in modern culture, Baba is not widely known and is not as popular as other similar figures from folklore, like Baba Yaga, for example. So the information about her and stories featuring her are not as widespread. In general, Baba is a complex figure in Slavic folklore, and her personality and actions can vary depending on the specific story or legend. It is also important to note that in Slavic cultures, the concept of the boogeyman or Baba is often used as a way to teach children about the dangers of the world and to instill good behavior. Parents and grandparents would often tell stories about Baba to children as a way to warn them against misbehaving, wandering too far from home, or talking to strangers. This use of Baba as a cautionary figure highlights the power of storytelling and the role it plays in preserving cultural traditions and values. In modern times, the concept of Baba has evolved and adapted to new cultural influences. For example, there are now many popular children's books, movies, and television shows that feature a Baba-like character. This new interpretation of the Baba legend often portray her in a more comedic or light-hearted way, making her less scary and more relatable to children. This evolution of the Baba legend is a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and the way it can adapt to changing cultural norms and values over time. In conclusion, Baba is an important and fascinating character from Slavic folklore that has evolved over time and continues to be a popular figure in modern culture. She can be a trickster and a mean figure, or a protective spirit and a helper, depending on the specific story or legend. Her role of educating and warning children against dangerous actions or behaviors makes her a powerful tool for cultural tradition preservation. It is also worth mentioning that in many cultures, the Baba character is associated with the night and with darkness, representing the unknown and the mysterious. This aspect of her character adds to her mysterious and intriguing nature, and also explains why she is often associated with nighttime and the darkness. Many tales have Baba appearing out of nowhere at night to play pranks or protect children. Also, some scholars argue that the figure of Baba can be related with the Slavic paganism. The pagan beliefs and traditions were a fundamental part of Slavic culture before the arrival of Christianity. Baba can be seen as a representation of the ancient Slavic gods or goddesses that were associated with nature, fertility, and wildness. This interpretation would explain her strong connection with the land and her connection to the wild nature. It is also interesting to note that the Baba character is also present in other cultures, not only in the Slavic, with similar characteristics, names, and stories. This suggests that the Baba is a universal figure that reflects the human fear of the unknown and the dark. In conclusion, Baba is a character with a rich and diverse history, with many interpretations and meanings, depending on the context and the specific culture. It is a figure that reflects the human fears, tradition, and beliefs, and continue to be a popular figure in modern culture and storytelling. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.